We started a long time ago the project POC Sync Asset Administration Shares, where we wanted to try out how we can transfer asset administration shares from different suppliers to us as a company that wants to create bikes. Therefore, we tried out the technology with asset administration shares we wanted to implement and check whether the specification of the asset administration share fits this. Later on in the project, several companies joined, and we developed the question how we can go further on. So we developed the idea to create a prototypic implementation, some showcase where we want to show how we can get from asset administration shares with building a bike to the digital product passport, that to have all the information about the produced part. And that's a point when my colleague Hendrik Müller from Müller Manufacturing joined the project, and he wants to tell something about the architecture and the further project.
We started our work in the project by defining the sort of landscape and architecture of what tools to use. And of course, we have a lot of partners in the OI4 that already have their software using asset administration shells. So we obviously opted to use them. We have the AAS suite by Meta Level, which is used to create and to build up the asset administration shells. We take those AAS from a virtual supplier and configure them in a sort of type definition for a bike, for which then a production process is performed. In this process, we kind of guide a worker through the steps of manufacturing the bike, where we use the twin edge gateway that we from Müller Manufacturing Consulting provide to use a virtual torque wrench and provide the digital information from that tool as an administration shell in the production process. And at the end of the process, a AAS is generated for the entire instance of the bike, including its handover documentation, its nameplate, its bill of materials, including all the component AAS. And this can be exported to be used in any other software using asset administration shells, like the TwinSphere, like Imnestics. All tools that work with AAS are then able to view this digital product passport.
We are happy that OI4 provides us the possibility to meet in groups and work on those topics together with different companies, with different insights, different requirements. And we have shown those projects on different fairs. It was at the Hanover Fair, at the SPS, and we show to the possible customers the possibilities to work with us, to work with OI4, to come to OI4, to get member and work with us and develop business cases to their companies. So like for our company, we use the knowledge that we gained in these workshops and this working group to have an influence on our software at Meta Level.